So if there is one thing that I'm sure you guys know about me, it's that I love Lush. I do love a good bath bomb or bubble bar or soap from Lush. Unfortunately, I do not have a Lush in my town and I have to drive many, many miles to get to one. But there is this wonderful thing. I like how I'm telling you like you don't know about this. There's this wonderful thing called buying online. So today I came home and I saw this lovely box sitting on my porch. Y'all, the box smells fantastic. It smells so good. But since I am so excited about these Lush products, I thought maybe I would unbox it with you and we can go through them together. Most of the products that are in this box are from the Valentine's Day 2019 collection. So they're all gonna kind of be around a Valentine's Day themed. I think a couple of them that I ordered aren't in the collection, but they also kind of go with Valentine's Day and they're products that I love. So yeah, let's get this box opened. Also, if you guys don't know this, I have cats. And they're currently sitting around me right now and they've been crying. I don't know why, but this should be very interesting because Lord knows they're curious. And we have packaging peanuts. Lush is really good about packaging their boxes with all these peanuts, so hopefully your things don't get crushed. Okay, so as you can see, everything is nicely packaged in here. It's packaged so cute. Okay, so first off, I haven't ordered from Lush online in a long time, so I appreciate that the outside of this tells me what it is. Ooh. Look, it's a little peach. Oh my gosh, have you guys seen the show You on Netflix? I know it came on Lifetime first, but it's You on Netflix. Do you remember Peach? Peach. This is the Peachy Bath Bomb, obviously a peach emoji. It literally smells like a peach. This is so cute. Oh, how fun. This smells really good. I can't wait to use this. Okay, so the next thing I pulled out is, oh, this is cool. Yeah, I've gotten this one several times before. This one is the Unicorn Bath Bomb. Could y'all not fight while I'm filming? I love this one. I love a good bubble bath. I do love bath bombs, but I do love a good bubble bath. And bubble bath, like in Big Mouth, you know what I mean?
If you need me, I'll be in the bubble bath. Bubble bath. The bubble bath.
But anyways, I love the unicorn horn bubble bar. Bubble bar? Bubble bar? Why does that sound weird?
Bubble bath.
Like I said, I've gotten this several times before. It has a slight shimmer to it. It smells kind of like a sweet floral, if that makes sense. But I think it's really cute. And you could be a little unicorn in the bath. Just a fun tip about these is you don't have to use the whole thing for one bath. Like this could easily be like 4 baths right here. A lot of the times what I do with the horn one like this is I just kind of hold it under the faucet and I let the water foam up and then I'll just set it to dry. I'm so excited. I haven't gotten Lush in a long time. Okay, so this is the next thing, and it is a bath bomb. Oh, look! It cracked a little bit, so there's a little bit of crackage on the boat, but it's okay. It didn't ruin the whole thing. This is the Love Boat Bath Bomb. Oh, this is a pretty big bath bomb. Lush, you did good with this one. Oh, I just noticed. It's got a little heart. Okay, this smells just like your classic Lush scent. This one's definitely floral. Maybe, Lord knows, I don't know what kind of flower it is. It's florally. Oh, this one's so cute. I can't wait to see what it looks like in the bath. Oh, okay, so I don't think that this is part of the Valentine's Day collection, but I thought it kind of looked Valentine's Day-y because it's shaped like a heart and has cherries on it, and that just kind of makes me think of Valentine's Day. This is actually a body scrub, and it's called Cherryish. So this is kind of like an exfoliator bar, and it literally smells like cherries. Like I haven't even opened the bag yet, and it smells like cherries. I can smell it. Oh, it smells so good. You could use this and exfoliate your skin and get it all smooth and silky. If you've got somebody on Valentine's Day to touch your silky smooth skin. Look, I'm trying to like be fun and I'm doing a tongue twister. Or you know what, you could just scrub your silky smooth skin for yourself, even if you don't have anybody. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, this is the last bath bomb that I have, and I'm really hoping this one's not broke, because it's kind of like, you know. This is so fun. I love their designs for Valentine's Day. All right, you ready? I'm gonna do it like this. Oh no, I think it broke! Ah! It did, but that's okay. I kind of expected it. So this is the eggplant emoji bath bomb. Ooh, I think it smells like blueberries. I literally think I just inhaled powder. Can I get high off of this? I can't tell if it's grape or what it is, or blueberry? I don't know, it's some kind of fruit. But this is a little emoji bath bomb, and it looks like on the inside it's gonna be blue. So that's gonna be really pretty whenever you use it. I kind of expected it to be broke. If you go to the store, obviously it wouldn't be broke, but because it was like shipped and it was slender, I was like, yeah, it's probably gonna be broke a little bit, but it's okay. We'll pop it all in there and see what happens. Okay, so the other thing that I got was one of the little boxed packages. This box has some of the like body stuff in it, and I wanted to try it out, so let's open it. It's very pretty. I hate to open it, but you know, I want to see my stuff. This is a beautiful ribbon. Okay, it was fun. It's like Christmas. Oh, it's a Valentine's gift to myself. Thank yourself. Oh, ASMR. There's also noises of my cat eating in the background. Ooh, this was lovingly packed by Carolina's team. So there are two things in this box, and one of them is the American Cream Shower Gel. Okay, so the outside description says American Cream, cleansing strawberries and uplifting orange go together like Rama Lama Ding Dong. Oh, I really love this. This also kind of like smells just like a Lush store. Oh, I love that. Oh, brilliant. Love it. Gosh, I'm glad I got that. I might have to get some more of that. And then the next thing in this box is the American Pie Body Conditioner. So this is just like lotion you put on after you shower. Ooh, this smells good too. That's gonna be a good combo. This and this, yes. And you know, their little body conditioners last for a long time because they're so like moisturizing and like they smooth out so easily so you can cover a lot of your body. I've had them this size before and they lasted me a good while. I've never like fully used a like bigger container, so that's why I like these. And also these are really nice if like you travel anywhere and you need to take these with you. Why am I trying to sell you this product? I promise this is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form, but Lush, if you happen to ever see this, please, I love you. Okay, well, I think that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed unboxing this Lush haul with me. I personally cannot wait to go and use all of these products. Real quick, if you guys don't know already, my friend Courtney and I have a podcast called Over Her in the Pantry. Make sure you subscribe to that. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can find it literally anywhere that podcasts are available. And before we go, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see me unboxing things or hauling more things, and tell me what you would like to see. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again very soon.